Tije na nyithindo e tong mar Kenya kod Uganda oyudore ni achiel kuom gigo makelo iye ma oiwe kaunti ma Bungoma. Makaluwore kod joked ne ratiro mag somo Bungoma ma dhi nyime kod chiwo puonj kod somo rieko yore makedo kod gamo iye ma ok chan kuom joma tindo. Kotele kod Musungu Morako men jakom mar riwruogno koni dhier kod rembedo kod chiemo en achiel kuom gigo makelo midhiero ne familia ma kamago.
I came from Toro Junior School. I am grade 9. We have taught about early teenage pregnancy that can affect our education, health, and our future opportunities. So we have taught that we should make education fast so that we can achieve our goals and dreams.
If as a community, those of us who are here in this community don't come back and give back to the community, we are going to lose a generation. And that is why we are here. Up at Kibindoi Leo, as you can see, there are kids playing. We use games, and also we use, what can I call them, empowerment talks to reach to these young kids. So games is to make them busy during these holidays. As you realize, they have like 3 weeks at home. So we have a program that has been running. They have been being trained for netball. Na leo tuko hapa, so want to have easy games leo, just to make them busy during the holiday, because we know an idle mind is the devil's workshop.
With this particular activity on the ground, it will really support these parents not to have so many cases of maybe illiteracy and also idling around, having cases of pregnancies. You are making it to be avoided so much.